Gabby, we're going to a big truck stop now. This is going to be, we're taking 30 or so K cars into where all the big trucks are. This is going to be fun. We did this last time too. You're going to like this. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Look at all the big trucks coming out and all the little cars coming in. Kakkoi! Sugoi! 犬も吠えてる。軽自動車を見て吠えてる犬がすげえことになったすげえことになってるすげえことになってる。大型トラックストップに軽自動車が入ったんで、みんなトラックの運転手たちもみんな興奮している。すげえ大型かっこいいトラックの中で軽自動車たちが挿入こんな感じです。すげえナイス。わあかっけえトラックが多い。いいね。軽い。
Park everybody up. Want to get everybody parked up by the building, doubled up like last time. On these truckers' faces, they're like perplexed. That one trucker lady was like, "What the hell is going on?"
ここから軽自動車たちが来た来た来た来た。大型トラックの中で軽自動車が多いことになった。トラックの運転手たちもみんなカメラを出して、見てますああいいね。かっけー。大きいトラックとちっちゃい日本車、めちゃくちゃいいね。最高さんかっけー。みんな来た来た来た来た来た来た来た来た来た。いいね。ウー ね。いいね。みんな笑顔で楽しい。トラックの運転手たちも驚いてる。すげえ反応。すごい反応。元、俺のアクティの軽トラなんで、ブレイクさんが今オーナーなんで、すごくいい子なんです。Blake, what are you up to, man? Everybody's over there. What are you doing? Oh, you got some work to do today. I got it. Okay. Listen, 何するんだろう。まさか、ブレイクが、Blake, you gonna take that trailer? You gotta pull it out of there, huh? Good job. まさか。すげえ。There you go, Blake. そのトレーラーを引っ張る軽自動車。Nice, dude. 最高じゃない。これは。ブレイクさん。That is great. Yeah, you don't have to go crazy. Blake san, wow.
Yeah.
That's a that would be a load, man. Your truck isn't even squatting, Blake. Give me a big thumbs up, dude. Nice. Put your lights on. いやー、いいね。最高すぎる。That was awesome, dude. Way to drop the load, pick it up, and do everything. This truck is very, very strong. かっこいい。Kim-san, quite a nice rally so far.
Man, I can't
We got a lot of cars, we got a lot of people. This truck stop, man, people in the truck stop came out, went crazy, huh?
Yeah, they did.
We got people taking pictures, trucks stopping, everything, blowing horns.
Faces.
So much fun, man.
That was awesome.
I was talking to Gabby before, and I said, Gabby, I asked her the question I asked you on the podcast the other day, Kim. I said, has this car changed your life? She says, oh my God. She goes, like, I've met so many people, and it's changed. I said, it seems to be the common tale with these cars. That's what happens. Let's see if these guys like the car. Nice.
Awesome.
Let's see if we get it.
This guy's
Kim-san, we need
hardcore
a horn from one of these guys too.
My horn doesn't work.
I'll get it. We'll get it.
Maybe this guy.
This guy's
big
gonna give us a
truck.
horn. Yes. Let's see.
That's a nice truck.
Yeah, that's
What
a
is
nice.
that?
That
What's
truck's
that
a
dummy?
Western.
Western.
Let's see if we get a Western. Let's see if we can get a little
Look at
Western.
his headlights.
Yeah, we got it, baby. Awesome, bro. Thank you. Hey there.
Thank you.
Kim-san, isn't it amazing?
This is awesome.
So much fun, huh? People stop in traffic for little cars like this,
I
Kim-san.
know. Awesome.
軽自動車がこういうところに集まるっていうのはすごいことだと思います。セブンイレブン寄りました。ご視聴ありがとうございました。関連動画こちらとこちらにありますので、よかったらチェックしてみてくださいね。チャンネル登録をよろしくお願いします。そして通知ボタンをオンにしてね、よろしくお願いします。